If you think electric SUVs are losing practicality because of batteries, the upcoming Volvo EX60 might flip that conversation, especially when you look at the trunk. And in a segment where cargo space can decide a purchase, this matters more than horsepower. For modern family SUV buyers who care about daily usability, school runs, airport trips, and IKEA weekends, the EX60's cargo design could be the real selling point, even more than its electric range, which hasn't been officially confirmed yet. Here's why this matters right now. The EX60 will sit below the larger Volvo EX90, likely replacing the XC60 in Volvo's electric lineup. That means mid-size practicality, not oversized bulk, and that's the sweet spot for urban families. From what Volvo has previewed about its new SPA3 platform, the flat EV floor should allow a lower load lip and cleaner cargo layout. This is where things get interesting, because EV packaging usually means smarter underfloor storage. If executed well, you're getting hidden compartments for charging cables, a flat folding rear bench, and potentially a small front trunk, though Volvo hasn't officially detailed front capacity yet. In my opinion, this is where Volvo usually wins: intelligent packaging over flashy gimmicks. What stood out to me about Volvo's recent EV interiors, like the Volvo EX30, is how clean design actually improves usable space. For your daily driving, that means strollers fit without playing Tetris, grocery runs don't require folding seats, weekend luggage fits cleanly. That's real-world luxury. If you appreciate deep-dive EV comparisons and real ownership insights, consider subscribing. This channel focuses on practical buying decisions, not hype. But here's the part nobody is talking about. EV cargo floors can sit slightly higher due to battery placement. If I were buying this car, I'd pay close attention to load height and total cubic capacity once Volvo releases official numbers. This is where I think buyers should be careful. Don't assume it beats gas rivals until specs are confirmed. Technology-wise, expect Volvo's latest safety suite and over-the-air updates. But again, final specs and pricing for the 2027 model have not been officially announced, and that uncertainty matters if you're planning a near-term purchase. My take: if Volvo delivers XC60-level cargo practicality with EV efficiency and a competitive price, this could be the smartest mid-size luxury EV for families. But if maximum cargo space is your priority, you may want to compare it against larger electric SUVs before deciding. Comment below if you choose this over a similarly sized BMW or Audi electric SUV. Personally, I'm optimistic. Volvo understands families. Now they just need to prove it with numbers.